Imagine yourself in this Honda 2016 Fit XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Honda's satellite link navigation system, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.